colors everywhere. Clap your hands and spin around. Jump up high off the ground. Laugh and shout, come and play. It's a happy holiday.
Holi, 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 hop.
Red is shining like the sun, warm and bright for everyone. Yellow sparkles like a star, twinkling near and twinkling far. Put some color on my cheek, soft and gentle, don't be cheeky. Smile big and shout, hooray! Holi is a fun-filled day.
Holi, holi, colors bright. Happy hearts and big delight.
Dolly, 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 dolly.
Blue is like the sky so high, floating clouds are passing by. Green is like the trees we see, dancing happy, wild and free.
Splash, splash, water goes, giggles from our head to toes. Wave your hands and sing along, Holi makes the world so strong.
Pink is sweet like cotton candy, sticky, yummy, soft and sandy. Orange glows at sunset time, painting skies in colors fine. Round and round we spin so fast, make this happy moment last. Friends together laugh and say, Holi fun is here to stay.
Yummy sweets on every plate, taste so good they're really great. Cool drinks make us smile wide, happy family by our side.
Click a picture, say cheese, color dancing in the breeze. Be gentle, kind and play fair. Spread your love and joy everywhere. Share your colors, share your cheer. Holi comes just once a year. Colors flying in the sky, rainbow waving way up high. Clap your hands and shout with glee, Holi fun for you and me. Holi, holi, colors bright. See you next time. What a sight!